So you have been trying to make money online. You have tried different methods to make money online, but till now you haven't made any dime online. I have a good news for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money without any investment, without any previous experience. So let's do a simple calculation over here. So as you can see, this particular person is really killing right now. Right now, the guy have over 1,865 orders. So let's do a simple calculation over here. So 1,865 times let's say times 5. So the guy is selling the gig around 5. So it's equal to the total amount is around 9,325 US dollars. So this person is really clean right now without any to have any skills. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online without any skills, without any investment. I have to show you proof that I'm actually making the money online. So this is one of the money I've made through the method I'm going to show in this video. So let me refresh it in order to see that it's a live money and not any form of a screenshot. As you can see, the money is in that. So ensure to watch this video from beginning to the end. So without wasting much of your time, let me quickly show you how you can make this quick money without any investment, without previous experience. So all you have to do is come to this particular website called Fiverr. So if you haven't heard about Fiverr, Fiverr is a marketplace where you can register. It's for both buyer and seller. So this platform doesn't require any money to sign up. It's a free platform where you can sell your services without any investment, without any need for you to buy anything online. So all you have to do to get started with this platform is come over here, then click on join now. So this platform allow you to join free. We don't pay any money to join. So you have to enter your email. So I'm going to drop a particular link, a special link in the description below. So this link will allow you to get 20% discount off on any buying or selling on this platform. So I'm going to drop the link. It's going to be the first link on the description. So you have to enter your email. So after you enter your email, then you click on continue. They are going to send a link to this email and you confirm the email. So after you have confirmed the email, you'll be able to create an account with Fiverr. So after you have created an account, then you now go over here to create a gig. So you know the main goal right now is for us to model this particular services. I will remove a background image. So this particular gig is selling right now. As you can see, I have 1,473, and other one is have 1,865. So this particular niche is selling right now without, you don't really require any skills. So you have to come over here, then click on create a new gig. So as you can see, you can try to write a particular title that I will remove a background image. Professionally, you can remove up to 10 or 5. Don't worry, you don't really need any designing skills for you to get started with this platform. So after you have created this gig, you know, you have to make sure that you optimize your gig for SEO very well. So after you have created this gig, you will start getting orders. So now, how do you try to deliver the service you promise to deliver on this platform? So for you to deliver the service you promise to deliver on Fiverr, you have to come to this particular website called remove.bg. So remove.bg is a free tool that you can that allow you to remove background image completely, 100% free. You don't really need any designing skills, you don't need the Photoshop skills. Probably if you have Canva, you can use Canva, also Canva Pro, to remove the background image. As you can see, this is one of the image, one of the template. You can see you remove the background image completely without any skills. So for you to remove a background image from a particular image, you have to come over here, then click on upload image. So let me try to find a particular image I want to remove the background image. So okay, so let me try to find, okay, let me try to use this image, then I will click on upload. So as you can see, the tools are able to remove a background image. This is the original image. As you can see, I have a white background image, but after we have used this tool, it has removed the background image completely without any need of trying to retouch or do anything. So after you have removed the background image, you have to just download the image, then come over to Fiverr. So after come over to Fiverr to deliver the service you promised, then you make your money and your money be going to your bank account directly. So this is one of the best strategy to use to make money online as a complete beginner, without any designing skills, without any skills. On Fiverr, there are a lot of people that is doing it right now. They don't really have a designing skills. So as you can see, this service is selling right now. As you can see, like this particular person have 21 review, 4 review, 96 review, and there is high chances that if you post your gig over here and you start getting orders, you start making some cool cash without any investment. So I hope you find great value in this content I've tried to produce today. If you do, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channels and also share this video. You know, there are a lot of people that are being into this make money online niche, but they are not really making money online. This is one of the strategies you can use to make quick money. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you in my next video. Cheers.